So I'm using medium worsted yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. This pattern is very easy to do, just follow the step-by-step video and the written pattern. We'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. Two double crochet in the first chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the first same chain, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 2, join to the top, chain 3, initial chain 3. And this is the beginning of our pattern. Now, chain 3, double crochet in this stitch, the very first stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. In this space we're gonna do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all in the chain 2 space. And again double crochet in the next stitch and the following stitch. Again in the space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So we'll always have 3 spaces, for now we have 3 spaces. What we do in the 3 spaces is the 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet and a double crochet in every stitch following. And again in the space the same thing, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And join. This is the triangle so far. We'll make it bigger. So I will chain 3. Again in this very first stitch, double crochet and double crochet in every stitch. So basically in every stitch you'll work a double crochet, and in every corner, which will be always 3 corners, is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet throughout the work. No matter how big your triangle gets, you keep doing the same thing. Very easy and straightforward, nothing complicated. Oopsie. And this is my last space for this row. Again 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and join. And this is how it looks like so far. This is the solid granny triangle. Voila. Later you'll have to shape it. Usually you have to block your work once it's done, so it looks prettier. So no matter how big it gets, it's always 3 corners where you will work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and a double crochet in every stitch. That's all you need to do, and that's all you need to know. So if you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. The written pattern, as always, will be linked in the description box. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.